By the way, my husband has said, how come there isn't a female character who does that?
I know.
Who just sort of burps.
I didn't want to steal it. I didn't want to steal it.
Oh, it would have been so amazing.
No, yeah, but I know, but I didn't want to steal it. I should have stolen it.
I would have loved it.
What I wanted to ask you,
Yes, Lady Gaga.
is that how do you get through a scene when, for me, if I'm in a scene and I put myself there and I'm in that moment, there is not one time when I'm in that scene where I should be ever thinking about if I'm doing a good job or not.